Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. It's Thursday morning, April 9th. We're here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, first chart of corn here I'll put in front of you, and certainly corn prices are cheap. There are ideas that China's shopping in here for U.S. corn, and there's rumors of pork exports to China, and just very interesting dynamics as we move into what is typically a volatile planting season, April and May here in USA. Corn prices hit a new all-time high in Brazil. I find that interesting now. So these higher prices for corn in Brazil have priced Brazil out of the export market, and you just might see here in the days and weeks ahead Brazil importing U.S. corn. So just repeating again, very interesting dynamics that we're moving through as we move into the spring and summer months here. Soybean market, here we are, the soybean chart, kind of holding in here this week, and where we close today certainly give us some indication on next week when we get back in here. Brazil is still the cheapest soy in the world today, and China continues to buy U.S. or Brazil origin soybeans. So we've got our work cut out for us here, and certainly with this virus, the demand, this virus is going to leave a mark on demand. To what degree, we do not know. Certainly demand is the key here moving forward, and we'll just get through this virus that we're going through in the world today and see if demand can't pick up. Again, this virus is going to leave a mark on the demand side of the balance sheet, and livestock industries are going to downsize, and to what degree, I don't know. It's impossible to know, but certainly this virus impacting demand here. Argentina, their logistics are backed up. I saw reports this week of 3,000 trucks backed up, and there's strikes, rumors of strikes at the ports, and this seems to be always the news flow in Argentina, a big soybean and soybean meal shipper in the world today. Okay, the wheat market continue to move higher here now. It's dry in Russia, so this southern Russia, southern Ukraine, very dry. This dryness is starting to work its way into parts of Europe too. So you're seeing the funds now, the managed funds, they have found the wheat market, and they're in there trading it, and to me that explains the volatility that we're seeing here in the wheat market. So, a lot of mentors that I work with, they're touting that maybe the worst drought in the last 100 years is coming here, and certainly weather seems to be one extreme to the other, so I'll keep talking about some of that. So as we move into the planting season, you're going to have a big corn carry out, maybe a lower soybean carry out. We have a crop report today at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, and you might see bigger corn stocks in this report and lower soybean stocks in this report, and we'll move forward here. So let's all have a excellent Easter weekend and enjoy our families.